Safety is the most critical aspect of ceiling fan installation. Before beginning any work, you must turn off the power at the circuit breaker, not just the wall switch. After turning off the breaker, use a voltage tester to verify that no electrical current is present. This multimeter shows the proper way to test an outlet, ensuring your safety before proceeding. Gather all necessary tools before starting. You will need a screwdriver, pliers, wire strippers, voltage tester, and a sturdy ladder. Having everything ready prevents interruptions during installation. The electrical box must be specifically rated for ceiling fans. Look for boxes marked approved for ceiling fans or rated for 70 pounds. Standard light fixture boxes are not sufficient for the weight and vibration of ceiling fans. Install the ceiling bracket securely to the ceiling joist or fan-rated electrical box. The bracket must be firmly attached as it will support the entire weight of the fan during operation. Hunter fans offer 3 mounting options: low profile or flush mount for ceilings 8 feet or lower, standard downrod mount for optimal airflow on higher ceilings. For angled ceilings over 34 degrees, use a special angled mounting kit. Proper clearance is essential for safe operation. Maintain at least 7 feet between the floor and fan blades. Ensure blade tips are at least 30 inches from any wall or obstruction. This diagram shows proper spacing for multiple fans. Recent Hunter models include easy installation features such as pre-assembled bodies, plug-and-play wiring, and easy install blades. These improvements significantly reduce installation time and complexity for homeowners. Begin by assembling the downrod, carefully threading the fan wires through the center of the downrod. This ensures a clean installation and proper wire management. Connect the fan wires to the corresponding ceiling wires using wire nuts. Follow the wiring diagram carefully and ensure all connections comply with local electrical codes. Grounding is absolutely essential for safety. After completing the wiring connections, attach the canopy to cover and protect all the wiring. This provides a clean, finished appearance and ensures electrical safety. Install the fan blades using either blade irons or snap-on blade methods. Attach the blades to the blade irons first, then secure them to the fan motor. Ensure all blades are properly balanced and securely fastened. If your fan includes a light kit, connect the light wiring according to the diagram, install the light kit housing, insert the bulbs, and attach the glass cover. Modern Hunter fans often feature plug-and-play wiring to simplify this process. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker and test both the fan and light functions. Check for proper operation, wobbling, or unusual noise. Common issues include improper electrical box support and installation errors that cause wobbling and noise.